Welcome back everyone! Today we are going to get some gravel to this construction site so we can fix up this muddy road. So no point standing here and touching ourselves. Let's go already! Come on! Right, now we have reached our destination and now we can get out and get some gravel on this truck. Ah, great. Fully loaded. And now we can head out. Hopefully the journey will be as smooth as it was to get here. Now we only need to get some more gravel here and get the bulldozer to do its work, and I think this will turn out great. But we take that next time. So yeah, like, subscribe and leave a comment, you know, all that stuff, and I see you later. Goodbye!